So here we go. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the BRAUMM Smart Wi-Fi window and door sensor. They did send me this item to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Also watch some of my other BRAUMM videos on my channel. I've reviewed a couple more of their smart products. Now we can see the nice and simple retail packaging with a great product photo on the front. We have QR codes on the back to the iOS and Android App Store, product features, and specs. Some of those key features are this is Wi-Fi supported to remotely monitor doors and windows within the BRAUMM app. 2 sound modes. We have either alarm or doorbell sound. This is battery powered by 2 AAA batteries and is convenient to control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. And then it also walks you through the package contents. Now guys, let's go ahead, let's open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have an installation guide with a QR code taking you to a video. We have a setup guide, just a quick note to make sure you add things properly. And then we have your full installation guide right here with color and screen grabs showing you everything you need to know about this item. And it's complete with a QR code for you to the mobile app on iOS and Android devices. Next, you can see we have 2 screws and 2 wall anchors. We also have some sticky back options to install the alarm and the sensor. Here's the sensor right here. Looks really nice, guys. Great finish to it. Really simple and sleek design. And then we can look at the alarm as well. So we can see we got the BRAUMM branding on it. Got the Wi-Fi indicator up here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 and a lock. On this side, we can set what we want. Do we want the alarm or the doorbell? And then on this side, we also have your home and away. So we got your home icon, your away icon, and you can just slide that in between the two. And we can peel off the back cover right there. You can see we have 2 AAA batteries already installed for us straight out of the box. So that's really a nice feature as well. Now guys, on your iOS or Android device, go ahead, get the BRAUMM app downloaded. I also want to point out this will work with the Smart Life app as well if you already have that app downloaded on your mobile device. Now let's get it set up. Once you have the mobile app downloaded, you'll be at this home screen where we're ready to set up a new device. So in the top right hand corner, select the plus icon. Now we need to scroll down to security and sensors and continue to move all the way down until we find contact sensor Wi-Fi. So we can see that right there. Now we need to reset the device first. So we're going to hold down the 1 button for at least 3 seconds until the LED light starts to flash and flicker for us. There we go. It's now flashing and we're ready to continue setup. So go ahead, confirm that it's rapidly blinking and select the blue button. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network in order to proceed. Only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks will work with this product. Once you enter your information, go ahead, select confirm. Now it's going to work on connecting to the device for us. All right, the device was successfully set up. It took less than 20 seconds. Now we can go ahead, we could change the name if we wanted right there, or we could select done. So now we can see all the device settings right here in the top left-hand side. We can see we have our battery level indicator. In the right-hand corner, we have your edit icon at the top and then the settings gear right below it. Bottom, you can see we have arm and disarm functions right here. So there we go. We just armed it and it beeped for us. We can disarm it again right there if we want. Let's leave it armed for now. And we currently have it in the home setting, so there's no delay for the door. If we wanted to have it in your away setting, you'll have a 5-second delay if you shift it right there on that side to the door icon versus the house icon. Now let's go ahead, let's look at some of the settings we can control. In the top right hand corner, select the edit icon. We can change the name, we can view device information, we can control third-party apps right here. We can learn how to do that with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. We can also share this device with friends or family members. We can also group this device with maybe other smart door sensors and window sensors that we have around the house to control them right from within this group. And then we can view other information about the device like removing it, updating it, or restoring it to factory defaults. So now that we have everything set up and it's armed, let's go ahead, let's try it out right here. So let's move the sensor away, and it's going to beep, and it's really loud, and we can bring it back. So it's all good. So we know everything works. Now we can go ahead and we'll swap it from the doorbell chime to the alarm. And this is really loud, so you've been warned. So loud. So let's bring it back. And there we go. So it's really loud, guys. It's going to be super effective if somebody's trying to break in or sneak in your house. You're not going to sleep through this, and they're definitely going to hear it and be scared and run off. Now let's go ahead, while we still have it down here, let's set it up with Amazon Alexa. So to set the device up with Amazon Alexa, it's really simple and straightforward. On the home screen within the Alexa app, go to the top left-hand corner, select Skills and Games. It's the fourth option up from the bottom. Now we need to search for the BRAUMM app, or if you set this up with the Smart Life app, search for the Smart Life app. But once you have the app identified, search for it and select it. Now you can see we have this option to enable to use it. So you're going to hit enable to use. Then it's going to ask you to link your account. And it's really simple. You just sign in with the same username and password that you created for your account, as you can see right here. Hit link now and you're all set. So now with Alexa enabled, we can check and see if our door is open. Hey Alexa, is my door open?
Wi-Fi door sensor is closed.
There we go. It's showing that the door sensor is closed. Now let's go ahead. Let's move it to the open position and see what Alexa says. Hey Alexa, is my door open?
Wi-Fi door sensor is open.
There we go. Alexa knows the difference between open and closed for the door sensor. Now I wanted to go over a couple more buttons and controls with you guys, specifically how to arm and disarm everything. Enter the default password of 1234 to disarm the sensor. Then you can just hit the arm button that looks like a lock at the bottom, and that will arm it anytime without a password. Now to reset the password, guys, go ahead, remove the batteries to deactivate the sensor. Press and hold any of the number buttons and reinstall the batteries. The sensor will beep 10 times. You can release the number button and you will hear a rapid beeping. Then you can go ahead, enter the new 4-digit password. The sensor will beep twice to confirm the new password. You can also factory reset this using the buttons right here, and you can do it on the mobile app. But if you want to factory reset it without using your phone, remove the batteries and deactivate the sensor. Press and hold the arm, looks like the lock button, and reinstall the batteries. The sensor will beep 10 times. Then you can release the arm or lock button and you will hear rapid beeping. The sensor is now restored to factory settings. So it's really simple and easy to use. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed on my door. So here we go. We got it installed on our exterior door on the inside portion of the door. Be careful with the trim and what you have to make sure you can get this to work properly. You've got to keep them pretty close together. And I wasn't having much luck keeping something out here on the trim, especially because it's angled as well. It just wasn't working very good for me. So you can see we got it set right now though, so we can open the door to see if it works. There we go. It just beeped for us. And now we can shut everything again, and then we could do it again. So let's go ahead. Let's open it up again so you can see it's going to beep every time for us to let us know if somebody's entering or exiting the house in the current mode that we have it set on. So I just wanted to show you guys this configuration and how they're not lined up enough and they're too far apart. So basically a finger's width apart is going to be too far apart. So we can see how we have them set, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to open the door. Nothing's going to happen. We're going to close the door, and nothing's registered as well. So you really got to have them pretty close together. So really make sure you have proper trim and placement for where you want to put this. So now you can see it installed on this window. Everything looks great, guys. Really nice. No weird pieces of trim or angles or anything else to worry about right here. Now let's go ahead. Let's stand back. Let's open it up. There we go. You can hear it beeping. So let's shut it again. Let's try it one more time. Sure enough, guys, it's going to set the alarm. And now, ear warning right here, we're going to go ahead, we're going to flip it down to the main alarm, and we're going to open it up. And don't forget, for this one, we're going to have to disarm it too. So here we go. so loud, but everything works great. So as you can see, guys, installation was really simple. Just make sure to peel and stick into place and keep them close enough together for the magnet sensors to trigger. And you can do that on both sides, up or down right there. So just take good inventory of your doors and windows and the trim and fittings to make sure everything's gonna work properly with what you desire. I also wanna point out within the app, you can actually view a log of every time it's been armed, disarmed, triggered, that sort of thing, right from within the main screen. They're kind of grayed out and it'll show you the last two, but you can actually tap on that and it'll come up with a whole log that you can scroll back and see your history. Overall, really like this product, super simple and easy to use. I do wish they had a volume adjustment. Maybe it's just me for this review, but it's super loud. Again, that's gonna be a good thing if somebody's breaking in your house. So don't get me wrong, you're definitely gonna want it that loud. But if you are home and you're coming and going a lot, even the door option, just the doorbell chime, is plenty loud if you ask me. So it'd be nice to be able to have the controls to change the volume. I think that'd be a really nice feature to see from this device in the future. If you're interested in this product, guys, the link to it is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you guys to miss anything. Feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. Give us a follow online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website. Join our free newsletter, guys. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server as well. Thanks for watching. New content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.